for me. That's it. Come out. Do it again. Instant shoe covers. Alright. Alright, now we're going to pre-spray. So we did our pre-vacuuming. We got our shoe covers on. And now we commence to the cleaning process where we're pre-spraying. Alright, now we're doing the steam cleaning process. And as you can see, he goes over about 3 triangles wet, and then he goes back wet 3 times, and then he comes back 3 times dry. So he's making sure he's drying it up. Now the water is about 200 degrees, so it's really brightening up and pulling all the germs and dirt out of the carpet. Now this is the soluble dirt. Now we already did the dry dirt when we pre-vacuumed. So this is how you want to go about doing a residential professional carpet cleaning. So when your customers say, well, I was going to do it myself, but I saw that you were doing the cleaning or you were running a special and we decided to hire you. Now you saw when he went open the open vent, he just went over it dry. He did not wet it because we don't want to send moisture down in the ventilation system. Now you see that steam. Look at that steam just cooked. Look at that. This is why it's called steam cleaning. They call it hot water extraction because most of the time you don't have heating units that can really produce steam. So they came up with hot water extraction. But if you do steam cleaning, let your customers know that you do steam cleaning. And then show them a video like this and they will understand. This is Roger Lloyd from the carpet cleaning world. And this is how you want to go about doing a professional carpet cleaning residentially where you're charging by the square foot. Thank you for your time. And if you're not a part of the carpet cleaning world, join us on Facebook. We would love to have you.